Every April, hundreds of thousands of skilled workers, mostly Indian engineers, roll the dice in America's H-1B visa lottery. 1 in 5 gets lucky. The rest pack their dreams and go home. Now, experts say this broken lottery is costing the U.S. its global talent edge, and they're calling for a system that rewards skill, not chance. The H-1B visa was created in 1990 to bring professionals with specialized knowledge to America. It authorizes up to 6 years of work and was meant to fill roles Americans couldn't. But today, it's an outdated system filled with loopholes and dominated by randomness. Each year, 85,000 visas are handed out by lottery, often filled within days. Large tech firms compete with staffing agencies that flood the system with duplicate entries, sometimes hundreds per worker. A Bloomberg investigation found this practice crowds out fair employers, leaving brilliant Indian engineers behind, while low-wage outsourcing firms win. Experts say this isn't just an American problem, it's a global brain drain. The U.S. says it wants the best minds in AI, robotics, and biotech, yet 85% of H-1B jobs pay below the median salary. That rewards cheaper labor, not innovation. Meanwhile, India and China are keeping their own top talent, building startups and AI labs that rival Silicon Valley. The fix? Experts propose 2 key reforms: raise the H-1B wage floor to reflect modern salaries, and replace the lottery with a merit-based system that values education, experience, and innovation. For Indian professionals, this change could mean a future where skill, not luck, determines who gets a shot at the American dream. It's time for an immigration system that values talent, not chance.